Southwestern North County in northern New Jersey, Anderson County in northwestern New Jersey, southern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, western Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, West County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Worcester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Wilson County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Old Orchard to Southern to near Leonville, Markwood to near Oxford, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Force, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, and power lines is possible. Location impacts include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Easton, Westchester, Bethlehem, Bensalem, Bridgewater, Ewing, Northtown, Dover, Shanksville, Lansdale, Norton, Fort, East Norton, Yorktown, and Quakertown. Between mile markers 2 and 14, and between mile markers 21 and 28. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 349. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 68 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 32. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 71 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile